talked several times about GM food, genetically modified foods out there that they're trying to press on the people. Time and time again, I've talked about Syngenta, Monsanto, been out to the marches, and even talked about how the FDA had approved this year for the first time these GMO Okanagan apples. They approved them for human consumption and put them on the market, and it's almost as if people either don't know or don't care. These are apples that if you cut them or slice them, they will not brown. And they achieve this by messing with the enzymes, stripping away its natural properties, messing with it. And see, now there's talk about this new gene drive technology, which basically amplifies the problems that we were witnessing before. Because what some people would say, and what we did witness, is that farmers were against the GM crops. But what we found out, and they found out the hard way, is that some of these GM crops in these fields, well, it didn't matter if they were 5 miles down the road. Animals, bees, birds, creatures, they pollinate, they move things, and things move through the earth, through the air. And exactly what they said would not happen did happen, and those GM crops found their way into other maize, other crops, and mixed with it, tainted it. And what they're saying here now, this gene drive technology, promises to revolutionize medicine and agriculture because it can, in theory, stop the spread of mosquito-borne illnesses like malaria, yellow fever, as well as eliminate crop pests like invasive species of rats or cane toads. This is all the pluses they're throwing out there for everyone to see. However, the scientists at the forefront say otherwise. They're saying if this falls into the wrong hands, whether accidentally or somebody does something on purpose, they're saying that this could be used as a weapon. It could be used to attack people's livestock, things of that nature, and if it gets outside of the lab and it's not checked properly, it can get out of control quick. It's like a virus that takes off, that spreads very quickly. This gene drive. Anyhow, I figured I'd share the info with you guys. A lot more information here at the link, but this looks to be this GMO stuff in hyperdrive, literally. Keep you guys posted as I come across more. It's been Dabu7.